guys, welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to use variables in Python. I'm going to open up Visual Studio Code. If you don't have Visual Studio Code but you want it, I have a video and I'll leave a card to it in the right hand corner of the screen so you can download it. But I'm just going to make an example variable and assign it to 55. There are several ways you can write a variable. Say if you did this, so example var, Python's not going to like that. They don't like spaces in between things, and so you need to put an underscore or a dash. I think a dash would, no, dash doesn't work. An underscore. You can do example in all caps. That works, and you can also do just about everything except for spaces between words. And then I'm gonna go ahead and call on example. I'm gonna go ahead and print it out, and when I run this, it prints out 55. So yeah, that's pretty cool. You can make a bunch. Say if you had a game and you wanted a timer, you could make a timer equal to like 60 seconds if they're trying to do a time limit, and you can just do pretty much everything. But let's go back to example and we'll assign it to, how about a print hello. Hello. Okay, and if you run this, it's just gonna print hello right away, which is cool. And I think that's about it. That's the basics. There's also unpacking. So say if you had like coordinates like x and y, and then you wanted to set that to say 3/7 or comma 7. And you can unpack it by doing print x and print y. Oh wow, print y. Okay, so let's just close this out. And if you run this, it's gonna print out 3 and 7. And say if you had a z, it's going to give you an error because there's three coordinates and not enough numbers. There's 3 letters and not enough numbers. But say if you put a 7 there again and you did print z and then you ran it, it would print all of them out. So you just got to make sure that you have the same amount as numbers and letters or whatever, just the same amount. I'm pretty sure that's it. Variables aren't too hard, but they are very useful. If you did like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.